Today, we explore the magic of your mind. Ever thought you could change your life by just assuming it's already the way you want? Well, you can, and today, I'll prove it. Stick around because by the end of this video, not only will I share the secret behind the law of assumption, but I'll also tell you about how a simple yellow rubber duck proved to me that this law really works. Don't believe me? You will. So, what is the law of assumption? In simple terms, it's believing something is true and then seeing that belief become reality. Yes, it's like placing an order at your favorite fast food joint. You say, I assume my order will be right, and bam, there's your burger, exactly how you like it unless it's Monday. We all know how Mondays can be, right? Neville Goddard, a mystical 20th century influencer. No, not the kind that promotes energy drinks, taught that your imagination creates your reality.
That's right. Your mind's eye is more powerful than your selfie camera.
Let's break it down. First, you assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. Say you want a new car. Imagine sitting in it, smell that new car scent. Though honestly, it's probably just a bunch of chemicals, right? Feel the steering wheel, and not just during your driving test, where it's all sweat and panic. By living in the end, you're not just daydreaming. You're placing your order with the universe's kitchen. And no, they don't have a burger named Late Regret there. Now, many people think the law of assumption is just positive thinking, but it's not like telling yourself, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, while your houseplant dies from neglect. It's about truly believing in your reality and acting on it.
It's not magic. It's like programming. You wouldn't download a fitness app and expect to get fit just by swiping right on it, would you?
The law of assumption requires commitment like sticking to a diet plan, except there's no cheating on weekends.
So how do you apply this? Start small. Assume you'll have a great day.
Assume the coffee will taste excellent.
And then work your way up. It's like leveling up in a video game, but the boss fight is with your own doubts.
Remember, the key is consistency.
Assume success regularly and watch as the pieces fall into place. Like doing laundry, but imagine if the clothes folded themselves. Wouldn't that be something?
Before we wrap up, let me share a quick story. When I first learned about the law of assumption, I tested it with something silly. I assumed I would find a yellow rubber duck at the beach. No reason, it just popped into my mind. 2 days later, I'm walking on the sand, and what do I see? A little yellow rubber duck right by the water. Coincidence? I think not. This law works, folks. It's worked for me, and it can work for you. So, what will you start assuming? Drop your thoughts and plans in the comments below. If you love diving into the depths of your own potential today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future adventures.